Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has assessed Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.2. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically represents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $19.81 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but may also serve as the first indication of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -29.75% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between -45.22% and -25.94%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -11.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -67.54% to +120.48% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.10 and $41.43. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation as stock downgraded to sell candidate." The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 1.88% on the last day, which was Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, decreasing from $19.15 to $18.79. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.86%, with a day low at $18.74 and a day high of $19.28. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, and there has been a 2.79% gain over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume declined on the last day along with the stock, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should ideally follow the stock price. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 563,000 shares, with a total of 5 million shares traded for approximately $86.84 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the stock price is 65.64%, or $35.89, below the 52-week high, and 76.33%, or $60.59, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when it reached $79.38. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group trading under the symbol DJT have recently surged to a 6-week high as the company announced it has amassed approximately $2 billion in Bitcoin and Bitcoin-related securities. This significant accumulation forms roughly 2/3 of their total liquid assets and aligns with a broader trend where investors are increasingly viewing the company as a cryptocurrency play, particularly as Bitcoin approaches new record highs. The announcement utilizes a robust Bitcoin treasury strategy, backed by $3 billion in liquid assets. This strategy aims to solidify the company's position in the crypto market, especially following President Trump's signing of the Genius Act, which regulates stablecoins. Given these developments, the company's shares are likely to experience both short-term volatility and longer-term stability. depending on the fluctuations of cryptocurrency markets. As Trump Media diversifies its portfolio with significant crypto investments, it could attract more investor interest, potentially boosting its market capitalization. In the near term, heightened focus on Bitcoin's performance could result in continued movements in stock prices, while the company's ventures into artificial intelligence and its recent product launches suggest a forward-looking strategy that may enhance revenue streams over time. This dual approach could set the stage for both immediate trading opportunities and sustained growth, influencing investor sentiment towards Trump Media's future. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 8%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals, which may influence the near-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $19.20 and $18.91. A breakout above either of these levels will issue buy signals. The trading volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should ideally follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 116 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 111 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $18.67. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.53 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.86%. In the past week, it has exhibited a daily average volatility of 4.61%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $19.25. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $18.67. If this support level holds firm, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 18.997. In total, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, and we believe that its performance will continue to be weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our conclusion for this stock from a hold to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of July, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 148 0.1 of a dollar and start trading at $18.94. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.